In this video, I'll guide you through how to import your contacts to the MailChimp application step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Your support allows us to keep providing valuable content for you. When you use MailChimp, importing contacts to MailChimp is the first step, as it allows you to easily manage and target your audience for email campaigns, helping to streamline communication and boost engagement. It also enables personalized marketing based on your contact data. To get started with importing contacts into MailChimp, first log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. On the left-hand side, there's a menu that contains various options. From this menu, click on Audience. This will open up the section where all your contacts are listed. To view your entire contact list, click on the All Contacts option. Next, direct your attention to the top right side of the screen, where you'll notice a button labeled Add Contacts. Clicking on this button will give you a couple of options to proceed. You can either choose Import Contacts or Add a single contact. To bring in multiple contacts at once, select Import Contacts. Once you've chosen to import contacts, MailChimp will guide you to a new page where you'll be asked how you would like to import your contacts. Here, you'll see three options presented on your screen. The first option is Import from another service, which allows you to connect with external services like Salesforce, Zapier, or Shopify. If you use any of these platforms to manage your contacts, this option is ideal as it directly imports your contact information from those services into MailChimp. The second option is to upload a file, which is useful if you have your contacts stored locally in a file. If you decide to go this route, click on the Upload a File option. You'll then see a space where you can either upload a file by clicking Browse or simply drag and drop your file into the designated area. The file should be formatted as a CSV file, which is a common format for contact lists. To do this, prepare your contact list in an Excel spreadsheet, save it as a CSV file on your computer, and then upload it to MailChimp. Once your file is uploaded, MailChimp will ask you to select the audience you'd like to add these contacts to. Make sure to check the box that allows for updates to existing contacts if needed. You'll also need to choose tags to properly categorize and organize your contacts. If you're unsure about how to tag your contacts, you can select the Choose the Match option and let MailChimp automatically assign appropriate tags based on your data. After assigning tags, you'll be taken to the next step, which involves setting the subscription status of your contacts. You'll see options such as Subscribed, Unsubscribed, or Non-subscribed. Review what each status means and set the subscription status according to your needs. Typically, if you're importing new contacts who have already opted into your communications, you'd select Subscribed. Once you've set the appropriate status, click Finalize Import to move on. On the following page, you'll have a chance to review your import settings before completing the process. When you're ready, click on Complete Import. Your contacts will now be imported, and you can click on View Contacts to see the newly added entries. All your contacts should be visible within your audience, properly tagged and updated as needed. If you choose the third import option, Copy and Paste, the process is a bit different. Selecting this option will bring you to a page with a blank text box, along with an example of how to format your contacts for import. To use this method, open your Excel sheet, copy the contact data, and paste it directly into the provided text box in MailChimp. After pasting the data, you'll again need to select your audience and check the box to update existing contacts. Just like before, assign tags to organize your contacts, or let MailChimp choose tags automatically. Once you've tagged your contacts, proceed to set their subscription status, and after reviewing everything, click Finalize Import. On the next page, double-check the details and hit Complete Import. Now, with the process complete, Click on View Contacts to ensure that all of your contacts have been successfully imported into your MailChimp account. I hope you found the tutorial useful. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tutorials. For in-depth guides and resources, check out mediamagnet.business. See you in the next video.